Hello friends, how are you? Welcome to my YouTube channel Maths with Neetu. Today's topic is simplification. If you like the video or the channel, please like, share and subscribe it. So let's start with the basic theory. Simplification, there are some identities. First identity is a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. A minus b whole square is a square plus b square minus 2ab, and a square minus b square is a minus b into a plus b. About square root of any number is a value that when multiplied by itself gives the given number. So when we multiply a number by itself, the square root is that number. When we take the square root of it, so square root will be that number which when multiplied by itself it gives the given number. Let's now see how we find out square root by two methods. Square root we can find out by two methods. First is factor method, another is division methods. Let's now understand the factor method. So for example, find under root 1089 means find square root of 1089. So we'll make factors of 1089 in such a way that we can easily find out its square root. So when we divide it by 3, it becomes 363. When we divide it again by 3, it's 121 divided by 11 and divided by 11 again. So the square root would be under root 3 into 3 into 11 into 11, that is 3 square into 11 square, and under roots will there will be only will be taking the first factor 3 into 11, 33 would be the square root of 1089. So finding square root by division method, we'll first make the groups. 2304 के दो ग्रुप बनाएंगे राइट से स्टार्ट करके. सो दो दो के पेयर बनाने, 04 और 23 के दो पेयर बनेंगे. नाउ 23 का नियरेस्ट स्क्वायर देखना है, इट इज 16. सो 4 into 4 is 16. So when we'll subtract it, it becomes 704. And now अब 4 का डबल करना है 8. नाउ फिर से हम नियरेस्ट स्क्वायर मल्टीप्लिकेशन देखेंगे. 8 into 8 is 64. सो 70 से पहले 64 आएगा. सो 8 into 8 becomes 64 and 88 into 8 becomes 1004. So square root is 48. See some identities. If under root question is equal to x, then required number will be x square. See, we know that square root of any number when multiplied by itself gives the desired number. So when we'll put x square inside the square root, the answer will be x. So question mark would be x square. Another, a the power 4 into b the power 4 into c the power 4 becomes a square, b square, c square. Under root a the power n into b the power m is equal to a m by 2 into b m by 2. Under root x upon under root y becomes whole under root x upon y, and under root x into under root y becomes whole under root x into y. If any number ends with 1, its square root will be 1 or 9 given that the number is a perfect square. अगर कोई भी नंबर 1 से एंड होता है तो उसका जो अंडर रूट स्क्वायर रूट होगा वो या तो 1, it will end with 1 or 9 given that number is a perfect square. For example, under root 81 ends with 1, so its square root is 9. Under root 121 it ends with 1, its square root is 11. Another, if any number ends with 4, its square root will end with 2 or 8 given that number is a perfect square. For example, under root 324 is 18, under root 144 is 12. Now, if any number ends with 5, its square root will end with 5 given that the number is a perfect square. For example, under root 225 is 15 and under root 6 to 5 is 25. Another, if any number ends with 6, its square root will end with 6 given that the number is a perfect square. For example, under root 256 is 16 and under root 676 is 26. If any number ends with 9, its square root will end with 3 or 7 given that number is a perfect square. For example, under root 49, as it ends with 9, its under root will be 7. 169 ends with 9, its under root would be 13, ending with 3. Now, the square of any number always ends with 0, 1, 4, 5, 6 or 9 but will never end with 2, 3, 7 or 8. किसी भी number का अगर हम square करते हैं, for example 7 square is 49, it is ending with 9. So the numbers it will end with the square of any number will end with 0, 1, 4, 5 or 6 or 9. It will never end with 2, 3, 7 or 8. कभी भी 2, 3, 7 और 8 से end नहीं होगा, हमेशा 0 होगा या 1 होगा या 4 होगा या 5 होगा, 6 होगा या 9 होगा. Another is, if in a given number the total number of digits are n and if n is even, अगर किसी भी नंबर में टोटल नंबर ऑफ डिजिट्स n है and if n is even, अगर n वो even है, the square root of that number will have n by 2 digits. उसका जो अंडर रूट होगा, स्क्वायर रूट होगा, वो n by 2 डिजिट्स का होगा. और अगर n ऑड है तो डिजिट्स स्क्वायर रूट में n plus 1 by 2 होंगे. The number of digits will be n plus 1 by. Another simplification is if x under root into under root x into under root x till n is equal to x the power 2n minus 1 upon 2n. Let's see with an example. If under root 2, find the value of under root 2 into under root 2 into under root 2 into under root 2 into under root 2. N is equal to 5 as this is 5 times under root, so n is 5. X is 2, so 2 the power 5, n is 5 minus 1 upon 2 the power 5. 2 power 5 is 32, so 32 minus 1 upon 32, it is 2 the power 31 upon 32. Another simplification is under root x into under root x into under root x till infinite. When the number is the under root square is multiplied till infinity, there is no value of it. Like in previous we were studying it was n, now it is infinite. So its value is x only. For example, under root 7 into under root 7 into under root 7 till infinite, the value is 7. Another simplification, to find the value of under root x plus under root x plus under root x plus under root x plus infinite terms, we first find the factors of x such that the difference between factors is 1. The larger factor will be the result. ऐसे कुछ फैक्टर्स फाइंड आउट करो x के इन सच अ वे कि उनका जो डिफरेंस हो वो 1 हो, दोनों फैक्टर्स का जो डिफरेंस हो वो 1 हो, तो जो बड़ा फैक्टर होगा वो रिजल्ट होगा. Let's example, find the value of under root 12 plus under root 12 plus under root 12 till infinite. So the factors of 12 in such a way that the difference is 1. दोनों में फैक्टर्स में जो डिफरेंस हो वो 1 हो. 4 और 3 उसके ऐसे फैक्टर्स होंगे, इन दोनों का डिफरेंस 1 है, तो 4 will be the answer as 4 is the larger number. Now let's see how we solve this by conventional method. Under root 12 plus under root 12 plus under root 12 plus under root 12 till infinite is equal to x. इसको x के बराबर ले लेते हैं. So this term would be equal to x. ये सारा term infinite है plus x equal to x. Let's square the whole both sides. Squaring both sides. This becomes 12 plus x equal to x square. So x square minus x minus 12 equal to 0. Factors of x in such a way that the multiplication is 12 and the addition is minus 1. Multiplication is minus 12. So this becomes x minus 4 and x plus 3 are the two factors. X equal to 4 or x is minus 3. So we are finding the square root. It will be positive number x equal to 4. Another question, find the value of 30 minus under root 30 minus under root 30 till infinite. So find factors of 30 in such a way that the difference of factors is 1, then smaller number will be the answer. So 30 के दो factors होंगे 5 और 6, उनका difference है 1, तो जो smaller number होगा that is 5 is the answer. And the simplification, if any number is in the form 1 upon under root a plus minus under root b, then we multiply by its rationalization factor, that is under root a plus minus under root b in both numerator and denominator. अगर कोई भी नंबर 1 upon under root a माइनस और प्लस अंडर रूट b है तो उसके रैशनलाइज करेंगे हम, उसको फैक्टर से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे अंडर रूट a प्लस और अंडर रूट a माइनस अंडर रूट b. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, find the value of 1 upon under root 9 minus 1 upon under root 9 minus under root 8. It is 1 upon under root 9 minus under root 8 into under root 9 plus under root 8 upon under root 9 plus under root 8. माइनस में तो प्लस के फैक्टर से दोनों ऊपर नीचे डिनोमिनेटर और न्यूमिनेटर में मल्टीप्लिकेशन करेंगे, और अगर प्लस में है तो अंडर रूट ए माइनस अंडर रूट बी से मल्टीप्लिकेशन और डिवाइड करेंगे. This becomes under root 9 plus under root 8 upon under root a minus b a plus b is a square minus b square. Under root 9 minus under root 8 square. This becomes 1. So we are left with under root 9 plus under root 8, that is 3 plus cube and cube root. If a number is multiplied 2 times by itself, then the result of that multiplication is cube of the number. अगर किसी भी नंबर को दो टाइम्स उसी नंबर से मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं, लाइक 2 को दो बारी फिर से 2 into 2 करते हैं, देन 2 cube is 8, that is the cube of the number. Cube root of 8, that is 2 cube, under root 3 into 2 cube, 2 into 3 by 3 is 2 to the power 1, that is 2. So that's how we find the cube root of any number. To find cube of any number, there are two identities. First identity is a plus b whole cube is a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. A minus b whole cube is a cube minus b cube minus 3ab into a plus b. So if p is any number and m and n are the two powers, so if it is in multiplication, this becomes p the power m plus n. अगर multiplication में है तो m और n दोनों प्लस में एडिशन में हो जाएंगे. अगर if p power n into n, this becomes p mn, directly multiply होगा. If it is in division, that p is p the power m upon p the power n is p m minus n. अगर डिवीजन में है तो माइनस हो जाएगा, अगर मल्टीप्लिकेशन में है तो प्लस हो जाएगा. p by q the power n becomes p the power n upon q the power n. p0 is 1, p minus n is 1 upon p n. p 1 upon m is under root m, under root p, the under root would be m, and under root m into p is pm 1 upon m. So if any number, there is a number, so under root is m, so that becomes p1 upon p into 1 upon m. If under root m p into q is under root m p into under root m q, and under root m p by q is under root m p डिवाइड बाय अंडर रूट m क्यू. अगर मल्टीप्लिकेशन में है तो डिफरेंटली मल्टीप्लिकेशन में जाएगा, डिवीजन में है तो डिफरेंटली डिवीजन में जाएगा. अंडर रूट m इंटू m, अंडर रूट m द पावर इंटू p इंटू m, दिस बिकम्स p. m अंडर रूट में है और उसी में ही उसकी पावर है, तो दोनों डिवीजन में जाके 1 हो जाएगा, p द पावर m, दैट बिकम्स p द पावर 1 इज इक्वल टू p. So p m by n is under root n into p the power m. This अगर 1 upon n है वो उसका अंडर रूट होगा, और जो मल्टीप्लिकेशन में है पावर वो उसके साथ ही जाएगी. सिमिलरली अंडर रूट m into अंडर रूट n p is m into n अंडर रूट p. किसी भी अरिथमेटिक इक्वेशन को, टफ अरिथमेटिक इक्वेशन को और कॉम्प्लेक्स अरिथमेटिक इक्वेशन को सिंपलर फॉर्म में कन्वर्ट करके उसको सॉल्व करना है सिंप्लीफिकेशन. उसके लिए एक रूल है, दैट इज वी बोर्डमास रूल, दैट स्टेट्स विनक्यूलम ब्रैकेट्स ऑफ डिवीजन, मल्टीप्लिकेशन, एडिशन एंड सब्ट्रैक्शन. सबसे पहले हम विनक्यूलम दैट इज बार को सॉल्व करेंगे किसी भी इक्वेशन में, फिर ब्रैकेट्स को सॉल्व करेंगे, देन ऑफ को, देन डिवीजन को, देन मल्टीप्लिकेशन को, देन एडिशन को, देन सब्ट्रैक्शन को. Let's see with an example. Solve the equation 7 minus 5 minus 4 bar. First solve 5 minus 4 bar, vinculum, that is 5 minus 4 is 1, then 7 minus 1 is 6. So for brackets, first open small brackets, then this curly brackets, and then this bracket, big bracket. For modulus, modulus means magnitude of any number, minus 1 or minus 3 or plus 3, we write magnitude only. This is magnitude. So magnitude of any number, this is the modulus sign. So we write the magnitude of this number, that is 3 only. That is, we write it without sign. Important formula: a cube plus b cube is a plus b, a square plus ab plus b square. A cube minus b cube is a minus b, a square plus ab plus b square. Now a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc is a plus b plus c into a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ca. And a plus b plus c whole cube is a square plus b square plus c square plus 2 into ab plus bc plus ca.